See this? This is my list from when I started online and I was trying so hard to figure out how to make money online. A lot of us do this. You write down, what are your goals? This is very important. You got to get clear with your goals. So I make 7-second videos. They have made me a lot of money. A lot of these on my list, I get to cross off. Here's one. Quit 9 to 5. Have more time freedom. Travel to more places besides Wisconsin and Florida. Not have to look at my bank account every morning to make sure I didn't overdraw anything. Pay off credit card debt. That's a big one. Be able to go out with friends. Make bigger donations. Don't worry about monthly bills. Last one, make money while I sleep. So if you want to start making money, you have to get clear about your goals. What is the money for? Write it down. As stupid as it sounds, write it down. You write this down and you're going to start teaching your brain like, hey, these are my important things that I want to do. How can I get myself more money to get me to where I want to be? If you want to change your future, there's a short video in my profile that'll show you exactly how I've been doing it. And it's super simple and you can do it too.